Hi, I'm Sven. Welcome to my workshop. Today's video will be about the Stanley knife. The Stanley knife is a bladed knife, and it's retractable. So this is the Stanley 99E, made in Australia, solid metal casing. So after a while, the blades get blunt. They're replaceable. So we need a Phillips head screwdriver to open her up. Let's close the blade. It just slides like that out of the way. Heaven forbid if I cut myself during this filming. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, make sure the screw's not going to fall away anywhere. I'm just going to open her up nice and carefully. So this is where the blade sits, and this is the slide, and this is a spare blade. You can have up to half a dozen blades in there. So carefully, I'm going to swap that over. That just sits in there. There we go. That goes on top. That's sitting right. There we go, that's better. So the prongs are aligned, it's all straight. Screw back in. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go, ready to go. Thank you very much. Have a safe one.